Okay, today we are going to be making some sickening gains by cooking Tavuk Göğsü,
Tavuk göğsü.
which is a Turkish chicken dish, chicken pudding dessert. Stay tuned. It said get fresh chicken, so I went to Walmart and bought some not fresh chicken. So it said 200 grams. This is 400, so that'll probably work. Okay, this is not gonna work. We're gonna need to bring out some bigger guns for this. Shoot. Okay, so it says you should poach one high quality chicken breast in about 500 milliliters of water. So I put 5 Walmart quality chicken breasts in a mystery amount of water, and I'm going to poach them for 20 minutes, and hopefully that turns out okay. Okay, so I tried really hard to process this. It went okay. I'm gonna try to use a food processor now to try to get it more thinly blended, because this probably will not work the way that I have right here. Now that was a great idea. Thank you, Mom. That has produced something that looks quite a bit better in terms of creating a pudding. So we're now gonna move forward and wash this a bunch to try to remove the chicken flavor. Okay, I have washed and squeezed the life out of this chicken. It now resembles like mysterious protein slop. And taste-wise, it tastes like water, it tastes like mysterious protein slop. There is no longer a chicken taste, which for this recipe I think is perfect. So now I'm going to refrigerate this and pull it out tomorrow and make some pudding. So I will see you then. All right, guys, this is day 2 of the chicken pudding adventure. Pulling the chicken out of the fridge. Okay, we are now cooking the pudding. I'm probably gonna make 2 batches. I'm gonna make 1 batch, which is kind of the recommended amount of chicken, which is about half a chicken breast. So I did about 100 grams. And then the second batch, I'm just gonna put the rest of the chicken in. So it'll maybe double the protein, and we'll see how that turns out. Yeah, hopefully this goes well. I do think the Turkish invented this dish to kind of get back at Britain for what they did to the Ottoman Empire. Yeah, they invented chicken pudding, and the British were like, no! They've taken our culture! They've invented chicken pudding! No! So it looks like glue, so I think it's on the right track. I'm gonna let it cook. It's bubbling. Kind of looks like a sulfurous, like swamp a little bit. I'm gonna let that cook and hopefully it turns out all right. All right, I think it's cooked long enough. Taking it off the heat. Hopefully it turns out all right. All right, I just got back from the gym and I am starving for some sweet dessert with protein. Oh my God, look what it is. Sweet protein slop. All right, so we are gonna get this set up and then do a taste test. Okay, so here's how it looks plated. Got some cinnamon on there. Gonna do a bit of, what are these called? Pistachios. As a garnish. And some honey.
I can immediately taste your mistake.
The burn?
Mm-hmm. Can you taste it?
Yeah.
That's the first impression. Nothing but burn.
I think it's a caramel.
It's definitely caramelized. Why are you guys hating on it so hard?
I
Is
know.
that burnt? You mean it's not that bad.
Okay.
Dad's like wincing in pain as he eats it.
I won't mention the second thing that I noticed.
Why?
It's not that burnt.
It's burnt.
What's the second thing you notice?
No, I
What,
like
Mom?
pistachio.
What is your second critique? I don't understand.
I don't know what Jack wants to reveal.
Did you put honey on yours, Max?
Yeah. What, they're pooping it or something?
The main ingredient of this dish is chicken.
It's made of chicken.
Wow. You
Well-
take chicken and you pound it and destroy it, and then you cook it into milk.
Which I would say you did a pretty good job of, but I'm getting fleshy bits. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Me too, yeah. And I don't know how you would get it finer.
What the
I mean,
hell?
like flaked chicken. The texture, not the taste.
Dad's going through hell. And he's about to spit it out on the floor for the dogs.
And you know what? If you had put coconut in it, it would probably.
That's what you could trick people into saying it's coconut, not chicken.
I would never know this is chicken.
Mm-hmm.
The burnt, yeah. He's
It's not
pretty
that burnt.
picky with burn.
It's charred caramel flavor.
It's burned.
So I guess we'll do a rating. I guess
It's
maybe
delicious.
we'll do Dad last, maybe.
It's really good taste, but except for the burn.
Give
I
it
mean,
a
and I'm used to eating burnt shit.
give it a rating. What do you say 1 out of 10?
You're used to eating bird shit?
Burnt.
Oh.
I mean, I've made many mistakes like this, but your dad would never eat it.
What do you give it out of 10?
Execution. I'm gonna take a point off for it. I can still tell it's chicken just because of the texture. On the edge of the chicken. I don't know why. Maybe it's that subtle too.
If you had to numerically rate it, what would you rate it as?
With or without the burn taste? Because I
You can do with.
with the burn, which is a terrible mistake. It's a 5.
Dad is in pain.
What is your rating?
Well, that would be solid 9. I think the chicken a little bit finer would be a solid 5 is solid cool. I would say 6.5. I would rate it at the restaurant. I'm not too happy about it, but anyway. And also,
Actually, no, I'm gonna go 5.5. You stunk up the house. Out of spite.
Okay. And we'll add a 3 to Dad's score so he can give. What do you want to give it?
You're automatically adding a 3?
Yeah.
Is it burning on top? It's nice. I don't know if it's
Well, you.
Oh, so you're saying 0?
Are you saying 0?
No. But,
Damn. Whoa.
Would you rate it?
I think a 5 is probably fair with the burn.
Otherwise,
if you
Pretty interesting.
solid.
Yeah.
if you don't add anything to my score, I'm gonna also do a 5 because it
Okay.
could taste really good without the burn.
You can eat something that's a 5.
Okay, so it was burnt. There was noticeable chicken. I'm gonna try to fix this round 2. I'm also gonna be secretly putting in an extra 80 grams of chicken. So it's gonna be 180 grams, almost double. So we'll see how that turns out. I'm predicting it won't go over well, but I wanna use all of the chicken. So I looked up videos of how this is made, and there was a guy rolling it with a rolling pin, and I think it's just to break down the meat fibers, but it was in Turkish, so I don't know. But I'm doing that here. I am also using a double boiler because I burnt the milk. Double boilers rock. Let's go. Yeah, so this is gonna help not burn the milk. Wow, look at it. It's great. No burning.
So good, as it should have been.
Yep. That's pretty spot on, I feel like.
Yeah, can't even get mad about that.
But very good.
Yeah.
Delicious.
This one turned out better.
You would never know.
No.
One eat for dessert.
You're giving it an 8?
Yeah.
Because it's not what you want?
I mean, it tastes good.
It could really, I mean, if you just told yourself it was a rice pudding.
Yeah.
You really can't, I really can't detect any chicken in this.
No, it's just a texture.
Even in the texture, like, I wouldn't be able to go, oh, that's chicken.
No.
It's just got an interesting texture. It tastes Asian. Like, you know how in Asia they like you were saying, they like
Yeah.
weird texture stuff? Yeah.
Yeah, and they have strange flavored desserts, and you're like, I don't want bean flavored ice cream.
I give it a 9.
I mean, it tastes good.
It does taste good.
Okay, so this is my real voice, and here is the last slice that I'm eating. It's actually pretty good. You should cook it. Don't mess it up or something. I don't know what I'm saying here. Here's some information on it at the end. Thank you for watching.